Alright, so we are back with another firmware upload demonstration. I made a video a while ago with this procedure. Since then, I've updated the website to include a new download section, which you'll see me navigating to that now. I'm also going to use a different app than last time, and I'll talk about that when we get to it. But the first thing to get is to get that firmware zip files for both the receiver and the flag, and you can do that by going to the downloads page and selecting both of those devices, and the zip folder should download, and you'll see me just navigating over to that and getting the bin file outside of the zip file. So the bin file is our target file that we are going to upload to our receiver and our flag. So I'm going to show going to the App Store and getting this app called NRF Connect for mobile. It's a little bit different between iOS and Android, which is why I went with a different app for the last demonstration. But for this one, there's just a little bit of a nuance that I will talk about in the Android app later. But here I am just opening up NRF Connect for mobile on iOS, and rareBit Pro flag is there in the list because the device is plugged in. So I'll hit connect, and I'll go over to the tab furthest to the right there, and I will just hit open document picker, and it's pretty straightforward from here. Select the bin file and make sure you match the right bin file for the right device. Again, I recommend doing this one device at a time. So plug one device in to a USB power supply and leave your other devices unplugged. That's the best way to avoid confusion between devices. So as you might expect, we're going through the process here. After it gets to 100%, you'll see the light shut off and the device is rebooting, and we're going to wait for the device to reboot. Alright, so we get the light back, and that means the device is rebooted, and the app should recognize that here in just a second. Yep, success. And that's the entire procedure on iOS. So like I said, you can still use that NRF Connect device manager that you see there. That will also work for this process, just like I showed in the last video. But this app is a little bit different in Android. So the interface looks like this. After you connect to the rareBit Pro flag, selecting it from the list, these are the buttons that you want. If you get a dialog that asks you for the mode, select mode there, just hit confirm only. That's the right choice for that. And otherwise, the process is exactly the same.